Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about creating vector in R Studio, and here we have different kinds of vectors. Our vector can be logic, integer, numeric value, and also characters. For example, for character we can say ch, and here I should type C. For character I just type here, for example, today, comma, now, comma, tomorrow, and that's okay. I just press enter, and here I just type here ch and enter. You can see we have today, we have now, and we have tomorrow. So if I want to know the type of ch, I just type here type of, and I just type here ch and enter. You can see here I have character here. So the next one, I want to choose a numeric value. For example, for numeric value I just type here n, and here c. For example, I just type here 3.2, comma, 5.3, comma, 6.3, and enter. And here I just type here n and enter. You can see I have these values here. You can see here I have 4 values here. You can see in here I didn't put dot, I just put comma here. It's 2 separate values here, and here I just type here type of, and here I just type here n and enter. You can see here it's numeric value. And one other example for logic, I just type here L, C. For example, type here true, comma, false, comma, again true, and enter. I just type here L and enter. You can see I have true, false, and true, and if I want to know the type, I just type here type of L, and you can see it's logical. And here if I want to clarify if it's logic or integer or anything, so I just type here, for example, like this, is dot logic, is that logical. For example, here this one is numeric value n, I just type here n. So if it's logic, so the result will be yes, if not it will be false, and enter. You can see here this one is false. I do this for this one for logic, for L is that logical, and L, enter. You can see the result is true. So that's it about creating vector in different ways: logic, integer, and numeric value. So that's it. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.